Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Karan B, and today I'll be making another 4 milkshakes like my previous video. First I'll be making the mango milkshake, similar to mango lassi but without the yogurt. For the mango milkshake you're going to need half a mango, half a tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, that's a lot of halves, but you can add more milk because mango's thick, and 1 scoop of ice cream. You don't need milk cubes for this one because mango is thick enough. Now we can grind it for about a minute. The mango milkshake is done and looks so colorful and vibrant. So just mix it up a little and then pour it in the glass. And this one doesn't really need any decorating because mango's already sweet enough, but I'll decorate it for my next few milkshakes. Second milkshake, I'll be doing the banana and cream cheese milkshake. It needs half a banana cut up, 4 to 6 ounces of block cream cheese, 2 milk cubes, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 scoop of ice cream, and 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. Cheese milkshake, and I'm going to decorate it like I did in my previous video. If you haven't seen that, then click on the card, but if you have, sit back and enjoy the show. I'm going to pour some chocolate syrup around the edges. There, looks cool, right? Now I can put that aside. On my third milkshake now, which is banana and blueberry milkshake. For that you need 1/2 of a banana, 1/4 cup of blueberries, or a little bit more if you want, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 scoop, 2 milk cubes, and a tablespoon of sugar. Third milkshake, so now I can pour it in, and this one doesn't need decoration. The nut smoothie now, and I have 10 almonds and 10 pistachios. I'm out of cashews, so I don't add it, but you can add cashews too. And first you have to soak it with 1/4 cup of milk for 30 minutes to an hour. So I'm doing that right now. Then we can work on the milkshake. The soaking of the nuts is done. I soaked it for 30 to 40 minutes, and now I can continue with the rest of the nuts milkshake. You only need 1/4 cup of extra milk because you already soaked it in milk, and 1 scoop of ice cream, 2 milk cubes, and a tablespoon of sugar, the standard ingredient. And I'm going to decorate this one with both caramel and chocolate, and then I'll be done with all 4 of my milkshakes. I'm done with all 4. Taste. These are my 4 milkshakes, and I'm going to taste them now. I don't want to have it with whipped cream because these are a little bit sweeter than the other ones that I did. The mango one's a little thick, but it's really good. Or the banana cream cheese. And the banana chocolate combination is really good. And now the nuts one. The small little chunks really add a little bit of crunchy taste. Now like and subscribe if you liked it, and be aware of coronavirus and stay at home, guys.